box?
We have our Amazon baby box. It's actually like a gift bag here. See, I have my little helper with me, but just to show you what's in it. So to start, we have a lot of different, like just the scam advertisements, 50% off, a birth announcements. I think it's anything. You get 50% off. And then just kind of shop favorites at Amazon. More just different like ad things. So lots of different advertisements in here, but we will get to the other items. $200 off Green Chef. I don't know if that's a good deal or not. I'd have to look at it. But then we get into some of the stuff and we get 2 size 1 diapers from Parisol. There are some different oils here. So we have the stretch mark cream and the skin perfecting oil. So it's a 2-step process here. We have an original swaddle here. And then this one is 2 disposable pads and 2 milk storage bags. We have a Dr. Talbots Anti-colic Bottle. Kind of a nice small size, easy to start with. And then the slow flow starter nipple. We also have a Dr. Brown's Anti-colic Bottle. Again, this is the smaller nipple size, but still a decent sized bottle. We do come with the Nanobebe pacifier. And then we have some Aquaphor Baby ointment. And I did forget to mention this one does come with a pacifier in it also. So lots of good stuff. We have some moisturizing lotion and some wash and shampoo here. And then you get your nice reusable bag. So overall, it's a pretty good value. I will add that all up and put that in the video description. But just lots of stuff overall. And I do really like that you get to try out different bottles without having to buy a whole bunch. So I'll have a link down below too if you want to create a baby registry. And the way you get this baby box is by creating the registry and marking off, I want to say it's at least 70% of your checklist. So just adding those items to your registry or marking off that you no longer need them. And then you do have to purchase $10 off your registry. So either someone else can purchase that or you can purchase that yourself. And then you get this box free or bag free. So it's definitely worth checking out. Definitely worth more than $10. Given that even one of these I think is worth more than $10. It does change, so if you've seen our other video, this is the updated for 2023. We have a different one from 2021, so you can kind of see how they've changed, and I'll put that video link in the description as well. Thank you.